Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Naughty Rabbit. A moral story: don't lie to gain attention. One afternoon, he ran to the burrow and yelled, "Sister, come out. I smell something odd. Can you smell it too?" His sister did not show any interest. After the failed attempt, he again shouted after a while, "Do you hear the sound of the explosions? Can't you hear it inside the burrow? It is loud and clear." His sister knew he was playing a prank on her. She did not respond. But the rabbit did not give up. He came running inside the burrow. He said, "How can you be so careless? The forest is on fire. There is fire everywhere. All the animals are running." After thinking, his sister replied, "If the forest was on fire, even you would have been burnt by now. But you seem fine. Stop annoying me." A naughty rabbit lived in the burrow with his family. He pulled pranks on everyone and they all knew not to trust him.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.